हाय गाइस, दिस इज सुभाष और हम अपनी एनआईएसएम सीरीज़ में एक और सीरीज़ लेके आ रहे हैं जो कि 10A इन्वेस्टमेंट एडवाइज़र की एक रिवीजन सीरीज़ है। और सबसे अच्छी बात यह है उसमें कि इस सीरीज़ में हम एक रिवीजन टाइप कंटेंट कवर करेंगे और आपको बड़ी हेल्प मिलेगी इससे एक पूरे कंटेंट को कवर करने में, एक शॉर्ट कंटेंट लेने में, जिसमें कि आप एक स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं इसमें, जो कि चैप्टर वाइज जो जितनी भी यूनिट्स हैं 12 यूनिट्स कवर करता है। वैसे ये पूरा मॉड्यूल, इस स्पेशल मॉड्यूल में हम चैप्टर वाइज इसके कंटेंट को कवर करेंगे। तो टाइम वेस्टेज ना करते हुए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं क्या है। और उसमें सबसे पहला हमारा जो चैप्टर है, फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन टू इंडियन फाइनेंशियल मार्केट। इसमें इस चैप्टर में बेसिकली इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है पूरा फाइनेंशियल मार्केट का, किस तरीके से, कैसे कौन किसको डील करता है, क्या प्रोविजंस किसके हैं और किस पर कौन अप्लाई होता है, कौन कौन से एक्ट अप्लाई होते हैं। दैट इज़ द मेन थिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। हम अपने कंटेंट की तरफ चलते हैं और अच्छे स्लोली तरीके से चलेंगे और हर एक एस्पेक्ट को क्लियर करेंगे कंटेंट की तरफ बढ़ते हुए। The financial market comprises of money market that deals with the short-term lending and borrowing of funds, and the security or capital market that enable the longer-term transfer of funds using debt and security equity instrument. Paragraph covers the financial market basically divided in the money market and the security or capital market. The money market refers for the short-term lending or borrowing of the funds, and the security or the capital market that enable the longer-term transfer of the fund using the debt and equity instrument. The banking system act as the intermediaries to channel funds to economic enterprises. Banks also provide the secure system for settling the financial transactions. RBI is the regulator of the banking sector. It is the bank licensing and note issuing authority. It also controls the credit and monetary activities in the economy. This paragraph covers the intermediary function of the banks between the enterprises or the common people, and RBI's functions like regulator and the licensing authority, note issuing authorities. The main control is there, the control of the credit of the RBI. RBI's functions is there, and monetary activities in the economy. This is the main point as per the the exam point of view. Security market provides the structure for businesses to raise the fund through the issue of securities. The primary market, also called as the new issue market, is where issuer raise capital by issuing security to investors. The secondary market, also called the stock exchange, facilitates trade in the already issued securities. Commodity transaction can be done in the cash market for immediate payment and delivery, or in the forward and future market for settlement at a future point in time. An exchange traded future contract standardize the quantity, quality, quantity, and terms of settlement for underlying, and reduces the counterparty risk in the trade. Investor in the commodity market include producer and consumer who want to hedge their exposure, investor who want to take advantage of the arbitrage opportunities, and speculator who want to benefit from the expected price movement. The foreign exchange market determines the value of one currency relative to another, called currency pair, to enable settling trades in goods and services. There is the spot market and forward market in currencies. The forward market currency deals have to be supported by an exposure to currency from trade that requires hedging. Future trades in currency are done on exchanges. Insurance product may provide pure risk cover called term insurance, or may combine insurance or and investment on a traditional platform, endowment, whole life, or unit linked platform, and we can also say the money back plan. PFRDA regulates the pension market in India. NPS is a defined contribution pension scheme that covers the government employees who joined services after a specified date. It is also available for other citizens. Stock exchanges provide the regulated platform for trading in the securities at current values, so that the investor have liquidity in securities held by them. Depository participants are paneled member of a depository who enable investors to hold and trade in the securities in the dematerialized form. Custodians hold and manage the operational aspect of the trading in securities on behalf of the institutional investors. Stockbrokers are a registered member of stock exchange who enable investor to put through transaction on stock exchange for a brokerage. Investment banks help issuer make decision on capital structure and assist in the fundraising activities. Commercial bank provide the banking services of taking deposits, providing credit, and enable payment services. Insurance companies provide services of insuring life, property, and income against unexpected and large loss or expenses. Pension funds are intermediaries who are authorized to take the contribution from eligible individual and invest these funds to create a retirement corpus. Assets management companies and portfolio managers are investment specialists who offer their services in selecting and managing a portfolio of securities. Investment advisor and a distributor work with the investors to help them make a choice of securities that they can buy based on the assessment of their needs, time horizon, return expectation, and ability to bear risk. The Ministry of Finance through its department regulates and oversees the activities of banking system, insurance and pension sector, the capital market and its participants. The Registrar of Companies is the authority appointed under the Companies Act to registered companies and to ensure that they comply with provision of law. The Reserve Bank of India regulates money market segment and act as the manager of government's borrowing program. RBI is also regulator of the Indian banking system and conduct the monetary, forex and credit policies. The Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) is the chief regulator of securities market in India. It facilitates the growth and development of the capital market and ensure that the interest of the investor are protected. IRDA, there is the word, a single word is missing after A. It means the IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, is the licensing authority of insurance companies. It ensures the adherence of insurance product to the rules laid down and regulates the distribution of insurance product. The PFRDA has been assigned the responsibility of designing the structure of funds and constituent in the National Pension Scheme. आई होप आपको इस वीडियो में एक इम्पोर्टेंट कंटेंट मिला होगा, एक वैल्यूबल कंटेंट मिला होगा जो आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए हेल्पफुल हो। एंड ये एक रिवीजन सीरीज़ है, और तो कुछ नहीं, स्टे कनेक्टेड एंड बी लर्नर।